In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to TickTick. By the end, you'll have your Google events sitting right alongside your tasks so you can manage everything in one place. Before we begin, it helps to use the TickTick web app on a desktop browser and to be signed into the Google account that holds the calendar you want to connect. Start by opening TickTick in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the top corner for your profile icon. It's the small avatar button that opens your personal menu. Click that, then choose Settings. This takes you into the control center for your account, where all app preferences and connections live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Integrations and Import. This is where TickTick lets you connect with other tools and bring outside data into your account. Open that area, then go to the Calendar section. The Calendar panel is dedicated to adding external calendars so you can see your schedule alongside your tasks. From here, select Google Calendar. You'll see options that reference Google, such as subscribe from Google Calendar or integration with Google. The wording can vary slightly, but both point you toward the same goal, linking your Google calendars so they appear in TickTick. Click the subscribe from Google Calendar option to proceed. At this point, TickTick will guide you through the connection process. You may be prompted to confirm which Google account to use and to grant permission for TickTick to read your calendars. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when asked, pick the specific calendars you want visible in TickTick. Choosing only the calendars you actually use keeps your view clean and makes it easier to focus on what matters. If you see a message about upgrading, that's expected. Subscribing to external calendars is a TickTick premium feature. Upgrading unlocks the ability to bring in Google and other calendars and receive unified reminders so your events and tasks stay in sync. If you decide to upgrade, complete the checkout, return to the calendar section, and continue with the Google subscription flow. Once the connection is set, give your workspace a moment to refresh. Your Google events should appear in TickTick's calendar view, usually with their original colors and time zones intact. If something doesn't show right away, refresh the page and verify you selected the correct calendars during setup. You can always return to Integrations and Import, open the Calendar section, and adjust which calendars are included. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar to TickTick, bringing all your events and tasks together so planning your day becomes simpler and more reliable.